in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you finish going to spit fire.
And happy New Year's. It's 2024, guys. I'm back. It's another video, starting to start off the year fresh with some new content. But man, it's always something when you're a car guy. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I'm trying to do stuff when I can. I really do need to be more consistent. But yeah, today we're here with a video because my poor old Acura decided to take on me last night. And yeah, as y'all can see, got one car here, another car there, and another car there, but there's one missing. The Acura isn't here because last night I decided to go on a drive, and while I was driving, I don't know what coolant related issue happened while I was on the highway, and yeah, ended up having to pull off the highway. The car overheated a little bit, and my Acura, my tail got a lot of miles, I'm not gonna lie, so I was kind of a little bit scared. It leaked all the coolant out, and I had to leave the car in Flushing Meadows Park, because that's where I ended up ultimately making it last night with the car from off the highway. So I left it in there basically the whole night. Today's the next morning. That was on New Year's night. Today is the 2nd, so literally New Year's Day I got stranded with my car. So today's the 2nd now. The next morning I'm about to go over there and try to get it towed to my mechanic and see what where the coolant is leaking from and see if we can fix it. So that's the video for y'all today. Let's get into it. Yo, being into cars gotta be one of the most headache bringing things in this world. Like, it takes money, it takes time, and then cars are headaches. Like, why always gotta give a problem? Like, I fix one thing, you wanna break something else? Like, what's going on? All right, just got the call that the tow truck is coming to get the car after fighting with tow trucks and AAA all night. I swear, like, y'all don't even know, but had to run out the crib, and now we on our way to go meet the tow truck before he get there, and decided to dub us because we taking too long. All right, we outside. Got my boy rolling the, you already know, chill, bro. We not ready for all of that right now, but anyways, when we get to the car, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Y'all can see what's going on. I'll show y'all what happened with the car, because I don't even know myself, but I know it's something coolant related, but I guess we're gonna figure it out together. Had to ghetto rig with an umbrella. But anyways, this is my 05 Acura TL. Nothing really done to it. I got a cooler intake, it's on bags. I really don't have any like mods per se. It's like, this is really my daily driver like type stuff. I don't even know, like I had plans for this car, and then I got the Beamers, and I didn't really know what to do, and like I kind of backburnered this car. Only thing I really wanted to do was wrap it and stuff. But other than that, yeah, it's a pretty calm car. Last night I was driving on the highway, car started smelling like coolant. I seen it getting way hotter than usual. Pulled over, came out, checked, didn't see much. So I was like, all right, cool. Over here was soaked, and I thought that it was power steering that had leaked out. And I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna try driving it a little more, but why is it overheating? Drove it a little more, got back on the highway, and the car, like, it was starting to overheat, and I was stuck in I was in a predicament, because it's like if I pull over on the highway, I would have been stuck on the highway. So I tried to drive a little bit more, made it here, and when I made it here, the car cut off of me. So the car had cut off literally. That's the entrance right there at the ramp, and I made it right there. And you can still see the wet spot in the ground from where all the coolant came out of the car. Like, because I got another bottle and I tried to pour it in. When the car cooled down, literally all of this, and we had to push the car here yesterday and air it out. Hopefully I didn't make the wrong move, because I had to use the other car to jump it to make sure that the compressors get enough voltage to fill back up the tank. So I'm just trying to air it all the way up as much as I can. Boy, it's been a long day already, and it's only like, what time is it? Well, it's 11:50 in the morning. Been stuck out here with the car since last night. Like, hopefully we can just get the tow truck and get this situated and get out of here because I can't be bothered. There's too much going on. I don't know where the funnel is, bro. Damn, it's cold out here, y'all. It's freezing. I'm doing this for y'all though. Alright, for entertainment purposes, I'm about to show y'all, see if y'all can help me figure out what's up with the coolant. This is the highest my car goes, by the way. It's crazy. Alright, pour it, let me see. It was coming out somewhere back here. There's nothing coming out.
What?
There's literally nothing coming out, bro. Alright, now I'm puzzled. Cause what? It's 1:47. Tow truck finally pulled up. Oh my goodness. He came prepared. He got ramps for low cars, so you already know the vibes. But you know, me and my boy was being fat asses and stuff in our fucking faces because we've been out here for a minute, but it's been too long. Niggas had to go get food. And finally, this stupid ass. And let me stop talking about my baby like that. But finally, she about to get picked up. I guess the antifreeze we had put in the car earlier leaked out now. We didn't even start it. It just took a little bit of movement and it's gone. Yes, look at this one. Coming and saving me. Been out here for, it's been a long time, 12 hours plus. But probably about to start driving and we're gonna get up out of here. He about to chain it up and stuff, and then we're gonna get out of here because it's been long enough. Alright, where's the Golden Corral? I don't even know right now. Oh, I almost took my whole salad out. Almost took the whole salad out. Yeah, I'm hungry, boy. Starving. Like, I'm about to turn this video into a food review. The fuck? We made it to the hood. Finally, get this car off the truck, get it in the mechanic, and get out of here because it's cold and I'm tired. Final resting place, got the TL down. Shit, I thought all the coolant came out of it and it's still leaking shit again. It be what it be, but I I guess the next video or so is going to be updates on what's going on with the tail, because I'm probably not going to get to figure out what it is right now because it is type late. My mechanic is type busy and I got stuff to do too, so probably just going to end the video there right now. So yo, yeah bro, it's been an up and down day. I got the tail to the mechanic finally. Now just to find out what's up with it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Y'all already know the vibes. Peace.